SSLC results this year brought both celebration and emotional moments, with Dakshina Kannada and Udupi emerging as the top performing districts, while inspiring and tragic stories unfolded across the state. Dakshina Kannada secured the first position with a pass percentage of 98.40, followed by Udupi with 98.18%, Hassan stood at 97.51%, Mandya at 97.45% and Sirsi at 97.21%. Kalaburgi recorded the lowest pass percentage at 85.06%. Among the Bengaluru regions, Bengaluru Rural recorded 95.83%, Bengaluru North 95.33% and Bengaluru South 91.64%. Mysuru recorded 94.45%, while Tumakuru stood at 92.04%. Primary and Secondary Education Minister Madhu Bangarappa said that 7 students secured a perfect score of 625 out of 625 and became state toppers, including a student from a government school in Athani Taluk of Belagavi district. He said that 66.5% of students secured distinction by scoring 60% and above, while 1,532 students benefited after the passing marks were reduced from 35% to 33%. He also emphasized, though girls are number one, I want to congratulate boys as they have improved their performance. There is a 17.69% increase in boys' performance compared to last year. Government schools also performed strongly, recording a 16.8% increase in the pass percentage. This year, 2,393 government schools achieved 100% results compared to 766 last year. More than 50% of government schools secured full results. The minister also said that 1,425 students failed only in the third language subject. As per the High Court order, students were awarded marks instead of grades for third language papers. One of the biggest success stories came from Chikkodi, where Prarthana Nagappa Biradar Patil, a student of government high school in Katagiri village of Athani Taluk, secured first rank in the state with a perfect score of 625 out of 625. Deputy Director of Public Instruction Sitaram said that her achievement brought pride to the Chikkodi Educational District and restored its past glory. Prarthana said that writing keynotes helped her remember lessons better, and she now wants to join the science stream in PUC. Another inspiring story came from Sirsi, where Latika, the daughter of a small canteen owner, secured third rank in the state with 623 out of 625 marks. A student of Marikomba Government High School, she scored full marks in Kannada, English, Sanskrit, Mathematics and Social Science, while scoring 98 marks in Science. Her father, Nagesh Mogera, runs Sridevi Canteen in Chanpatna Bazaar. Her parents said that her daily study habit and strong focus helped her succeed. In KGF, Kusuma, a student of St. Mary's High School, secured first-class marks with 374 out of 625, despite suffering severe injuries in an accident. She had sustained major injuries to her leg, thigh and hips, underwent multiple surgeries, and continued studying from home using her mobile phone. She later travelled by ambulance to write her exams with the help of a scribe. However, a tragic incident was reported from Kolar district, where Kiran, a student from Sonnavadi village near Mulbagal, drowned in an open well just hours after learning that he had passed his SSLC. He had gone swimming with friends and attempted to swim without support but failed to come out. His body was later found near the steps of the well. His headmaster, V. Lakshmaya, remembered him as a soft-spoken boy who was always eager to learn. This year's SSLC results reflected not only academic excellence but also stories of hard work, determination, struggle, and heartbreaking loss across Karnataka. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.